My friend, nice to see you again. This is Carlos Lu from ZL450 Machinery Company Limited, the professional HDD machine manufacturer. Today, we'd like to present our 45 with 90-ton reinforcement HDD machine. Here we are. Here is the beautiful and strong machine. Let me show you around the machine. Here is the hydraulic cylinders and vice jars. The front roller seat with double flow device. Here is the washer. You can wash the roads and wash the grounds with this washer. This is the high-end rotatory cab. Let's take a look at inside. Here it is. It is with integrated multifunctional electric joysticks and big LCD screen, big meters display and AC. Very efficient and comfortable. Let's look at this side of our gorgeous 45 90-ton HDD machine. We use the USA Perm hydraulic pump. The Perm hydraulic pump can give higher hydraulic pressure, making HDD machine more powerful even in rock condition. Here is the Cummins engine. Our model name is ZL450-900A 45-ton pushing with 90-ton reinforcement pulling. Our 45 90-ton HDD machine is equipped with 450 slurry pump with nano cylinder liner, more durable, powerful, and longer lifespan. Take a look at our 45 90-ton HDD machine from the back view. Let me show you this side. Strong bracket pillar, thick and smooth boom. Here are the imported side brand motors from Italy. Original imported big GM3 motor. And there will be 4 motors here. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 4 motors, the pulling force will be 90 ton. 4 pulling motors will be here. Here are the imported side brand motors from Italy. Big motors. Originally imported GM3 motor. How big motors they are. And this is our semi-automatic road loader for road loading. Semi-automatic. Okay, thanks. Then let me show you the movement of our HDD machine.
Let's go to operating the ZL450-900A HDD machine. Enter the cabinet and turn on the engine. Put down the boom. Rotating the cabinet, begin drilling. Max push pull force 450 kN 900 kN. Max push pull speed 40 meters per minute. Semi-auto rod feeder, put on 83-89 3 ohm drilling rod. Thread into the drill rod. Fully connected. Semi-auto rod feeder. Loosen the drill rod and return. Start drilling. Max torque 23,000 to 25,000 cm reinforcement. Max swing speed 150 revolutions per minute. Drilling angle 10, 20 push-pull type, rack and pinion. Clamping device clamp to the drill rod. Max drill pipe diameter 120 ohm. Max working distance 650 meters. Rotating thread and withdraw. Cummins engine Italy region all imported set rotation and push-pull motors. Threaded into the drill rod. Pull back the drill rod. The rod locking device clamps the drill rod. Rotating the drive shaft. Remove the drill rod. The cab is returned to its place. Lift the boom. Connect the wire remote controller. Max flow of slurry pump 450-600L. Max pressure of slurry pump 10 megapascals. Crawler speed 2.5 minus 4.0 km per hour. Turn off the engine. This is ZLCONN 45-900A ZL450-900A HDD machine. Welcome to Inquiry the Price.